welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. So today I gonna show you how to make pulihora at home. So let's get start into the video. These are the ingredients to necessary for making of pulihora. So first of all, rice, tamarind, groundnuts, ing, oil, sugar, green mirchi, curry leaves, water, salt, turmeric powder, thawing nuts. So these are the ingredients to necessary to prepare pulihora, in English tiger rice we called. So first take tamarind in a bowl and add water on that, full of water, and soak overnight. So coming to next day morning, take 1 cup of rice, add water on that and clean it well, and again add water, 2 bowls of water. I will take 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of, into that bowl 2 cups of water. Okay, this is the measurement for to cook the rice. 1:2, 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. Now take the soaking tamarind bowl and smash it well like so, and take out the pulp and wastage into a side. Only we need the tamarind paste, okay, or juice, whatever. Okay, take an empty bowl and add into that tamarind juice like this. Now add 2 spoons of salt on that tamarind juice. Now add half spoon of turmeric powder. Okay, now add 1 spoon of ing and 1 spoon of sugar. Now flame on the stove, put into this bowl on the stove. Now again flame on into second burner and put on the rice vessel. Already we added into the water. So these two are boiled for 15 to 20 minutes. After 10 or 12 minutes, the rice is ready to eat. So now take a side of rice, so now see the tamarind juice, the bubbles comes out on that bowl. So this is also ready. So watch the tamarind juice, we need like to this consistency. Now again take a small empty bowl like this one. Now add 10 spoons of oil. Now flame on the stove. Now heated the oil. and add towing nuts on that. First red mirchi and add towing nuts and roast it well. Okay, now add curry leaves and green mirchi and again roast it well and add groundnuts on that and also roast it again. The towing nuts and groundnuts turns into light brown color until we have roasted it. Okay, now take an empty bowl, take into rice on that bowl, cool it for 5 minutes and now added the tamarind juice on that. Now add towing nuts also into that rice and tamarind mixture. Now mix it well proper. So now the pulihora recipe is ready to eat. Now take a small bowl and serve it. And I have tasted it and tell how about this. So this is the second day Navratri special recipe. So this is the prasadam. So I would like to eat before like that. So this is my favorite recipe ever. This is absolutely superb recipe for any festivals. I would like to prepare this. So if you like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye, I love you. Take care. And be healthy, be happy, stay at home and stay tuned on my channel.